Hi everyone, welcome back to English Talks Academy. I'm Dylan.
And I'm Natalie. We're so happy you're here today.
Before we start, let me ask you something.
Have you ever been super hungry?
You finally got your favorite food.
And then boom!
You dropped it on the ground.
Oh no, that hurts more than falling down.
It really does.
If something like that has happened to you, keep watching. Today's conversation is going to be fun, funny, and maybe a little painful too.
Let's begin. Dylan, how has your day been?
Pretty good. I had a busy morning, but now I'm feeling relaxed.
That's nice. Did you have lunch already?
Yes, I did. Luckily, I finished it this time.
This time? That sounds interesting.
Oh, yes. It reminds me of something very embarrassing.
Really? Tell me.
I once dropped my lunch in the parking lot.
No way.
Yes, every single bite.
Oh, that is sad.
I almost cried.
I probably would have cried.
I was so hungry that day.
What food did you drop?
It was a chicken sandwich, potato chips, and a chocolate cookie.
That sounds like a perfect lunch.
It was.
So, what happened?
I was walking back to my office.
Okay.
I had my phone in one hand
Uh-oh.
and my lunch bag in the other.
I think I know where this is going.
My phone started ringing.
Did you answer it?
I tried.
That's never a good idea.
I know that now.
Then what happened?
I looked at my phone for just 1 second.
Just 1 second.
I didn't see a small curb.
Oh no.
My foot hit it.
Ouch.
I didn't fall,
That's good.
but my lunch flew through the air.
Like a movie?
Exactly.
That's terrible.
The sandwich landed upside down.
Oh.
The chips were everywhere.
Crunchy confetti.
That's actually funny.
And the cookie?
It broke into tiny pieces.
My heart just broke too.
Mine did that day.
Did anyone see it?
Unfortunately, yes.
Oh no.
A man walking by looked at me.
What did he say?
He smiled and said, "Bad lunch day?"
That's kind of funny.
I laughed because I didn't know what else to do.
Sometimes laughing is the best choice.
I agree.
Did you have another lunch?
I had to buy another sandwich.
That must have been expensive.
Yes, and I wasn't planning to spend more money.
I understand. Have you ever dropped your food?
Oh, yes, more than once.
Really?
My funniest story happened at a baseball game.
Now I want to hear it. I bought a huge hot dog.
Nice.
It had ketchup, mustard, onions, and cheese.
Wow, that sounds delicious.
It was.
Was?
Well, for about 5 seconds.
What happened?
I stood up because everyone around me stood up.
Okay,
Someone accidentally bumped into my arm.
let me guess.
The hot dog flew away.
Oh no!
It landed under the seat in front of me.
That's painful.
Very painful.
Did you pick it up?
No way.
Good choice.
It was covered with dirt.
Definitely not safe to eat.
Not at all.
Did people notice?
Yes.
That's embarrassing.
The person who bumped into me said, "I'm so sorry."
That's nice.
Then he surprised me.
How?
He bought me another hot dog.
Really?
Yes.
That was very kind.
It made my day much better.
There are good people everywhere.
I believe that too.
Have you ever tried the 5-second rule?
Honestly, when I was a kid, yes.
Me too.
But now I don't.
Same here.
It's better to stay healthy.
Exactly.
Looking back, these stories are funny.
They are.
But at that moment,
They felt like a disaster.
especially when you're hungry,
Hungry people take food very seriously.
that's true. Now I always carry my food with both hands.
That's a smart idea.
And I never look at my phone when I'm walking.
Another smart habit. What about you?
I always make sure I have a good grip before I move.
That's simple but helpful.
Sometimes little mistakes teach us big lessons.
I couldn't agree more.
Now, whenever I see someone drop their food,
You don't laugh.
never.
What do you do?
I ask if they're okay,
That's kind.
because I've been there.
Me too.
Well, Natalie, thanks for sharing your story.
Thanks for sharing yours.
I think many people watching have similar memories.
Probably, if you're watching, think about a time you accidentally dropped your food.
It may have been embarrassing then.
But today, it can make you smile.
Life is full of little accidents.
And sometimes those little accidents become our favorite stories.
Thanks for learning English with us today.
Keep practicing a little every day.
See you in the next lesson on English Talks Academy.
Bye, everyone.
Take care.